Welcome to Antbot, the world's top 3 major market makers of OKX. There is 3 steps to start a robot. First step is to binding the API of OKX. Open OKX app. Click the trade button on the toolbar. Click icon on the navbar. Click settings button. Revise account mode. Change account mode to single currency margin mode. Click the OKX button on the toolbar. Click Account on the navbar. Scroll down and click the API button. Click Create V5 API Key button. Enter the API name and passphrase. Click the Trade button and scroll down. Click Confirm button when finished. Get and entering the verification code. Copy secret key. Open Antbot app. Click the API binding on the home page. Choose OKX Exchange. Paste the previously copied secret key. And then return to OKX to copy the API key. Copy API key. Paste the API key you just copied. Enter the passphrase you filled in earlier. Enter passphrase and click Import. The binding API has been successful, and you can start the robot to trading. Enjoy the trading with robot. Start from binding API.